Freezing and thawing. We can freeze layers in active viewports, and therefore we can create different types of content and from our existing content. So we can have things shown in one viewport but not in another. In this case, I have two smiley faces, and I can have some things on in one but not the other. So in this case here, I'm going to click inside my viewport and make it active. I'm going to go up to my layer properties manager, and I am going to highlight the hair. I'm going to slide it over, and I'm going to go to VP freeze. I'm going to freeze it in this viewport, and I'm going to go with the same thing with the smile, and I'm going to freeze the smile as well. When I come back, you'll see that it has no hair, it has no smile, but this one has all the above. If I click in this one and I go in here and I highlight, let's say, the eyes, I can freeze just the eyes in this viewport. And now you can see I go back into my paper space and I can control. I only have one object drawn. I only have the one thing drawn, but in my layouts, or my floating viewports, I can control whatever I want frozen or thawed on each viewport. All I have to do is activate the viewport and then go up into my layers property manager, and I will have the VP freeze available when I'm in that viewport. However, if I'm just in model space and I click on my layer properties manager, I do not get that, but I do get a new VP freeze. This is essentially, if we use this will, if we create a new layer, and we'll go up here, if we do this, it creates a new layer, and you can either have it frozen or thawed whenever you create a new layer. So the new viewport is either frozen or thawed when you make a new viewport, but it has no effect on existing viewports. So, but basically we can control anything we want to see. If I want to come back here and give this guy a smile, I just come in here and turn on his smile. I highlight smile, I'm going to go across and I'm going to thaw it, and back comes the smile. Alright, so it's a great way of controlling things like our electrical and floor plans. We can have our floor plan on and our electrical, but just in our floor plan we would freeze the electrical layers and not show them.